In June 2007, the Remote Sensing and Geo-Environment Lab was established within the Department of Civil Engineering and Geomatics at the Cyprus University of Technology. It was named the ERATOSTHENES Research Group after the father of geodesy and became the most productive research group at the Cyprus University of Technology in securing external funding. Its primary focus has been on integrating Earth observation and geoinformatics for monitoring the natural and built environment.
The significant experience we gathered throughout these years led us to submit a two-phase proposal, Phase 1 in 2016 and Phase 2 in 2018 under the Horizon 2020 widespread teaming call for upgrading the existing Remote Sensing and Geoenvironment Lab, named as ERATOSTHENES Research Group, into an autonomous and self-sustained Center of Excellence. This has been the biggest opportunity so far for us, securing more than 38 million euros in funding through the Excelsior Teaming Project in order to establish the ERATOSTHENES Center of Excellence of the Cyprus University of Technology.
Cyprus attaches great importance to research and innovation as a key driver for sustainable growth and competitiveness. Our small country is already home to many success stories. Stories that include an extraordinary performance in the teaming action of Horizon 2020 and Horizon Europe, under which 7 centers of excellence, amongst them ERATOSTHENES of course, were formed. Centers with a unique capacity to produce scientific breakthroughs and innovation advances that add value to our economy and society. ERATOSTHENES has been pivotal in paving the way for Cyprus to join the space arena and a key partner for the government in elevating our country's posture as a regional tech and innovation hub. Space economy is a high priority for our ministry, and ERATOSTHENES is our gateway to the world of space and Earth observation technologies.
Small countries, startup companies and research centers play an ever-increasing and important role in managing and understanding Earth observation and using this information for advanced products and services. Countries like Cyprus, geographically positioned at the corner of 3 continents and in an area where environmental change plays a crucial role, must be able to develop their own knowledge, their own sustainable capacity in this context. This is why the Earth Observation Center of the German Aerospace Center, DLR, is engaged in the Excelsior project. Moreover, DLR is supporting the ERATOSTHENES Center in establishing a data reception infrastructure to have direct and independent access to Earth observation data.
The mission of the ERATOSTHENES Center of Excellence is to conduct both basic and applied research towards improved understanding, management and monitoring of natural resources and infrastructure, and to offer expert services and products of excellent quality in line with the latest developments in remote sensing and related geospatial technologies or other high-tech tools.
The use of space technologies is a high priority in the political agenda of Cyprus, as these technologies play a key role in the research, innovation and development, promoting an inclusive society, developing a smart and sustainable economy, as well as the widening development of excellence. We have proceeded with the organization and development of the necessary actions for the active participation in the European space policy. We are confident that the establishment of the ERATOSTHENES Center of Excellence in Cyprus will contribute to this effort. The National Space Strategy has been very recently approved by the Council of Ministers, and for the relevant action plan, we are in alignment with the new EU space regulation, the EU Council conclusions, and the European Space Agency initiatives and programs. By signing the new European Cooperative State Agreement with the European Space Agency within the next few years, Cyprus expects to further promote the cooperation with the European Space Agency and to prepare Cyprus for its accession as an associate member.
The vision of the center is to become a world-class digital innovation hub for Earth observation, space technology and geospatial information, and to be the reference center in the Eastern Mediterranean, Middle East and North Africa. The 5 application domains for research excellence are access to energy, disaster risk reduction, water resources management, climate change monitoring, and big Earth observation data analytics. The Digital Innovation Hub consists of 4 functional areas and 3 departments within the framework of a 2-axis model. The 3 departments are Environment and Climate, Resilient Society, and Big Earth Data Analytics. The 4 functional areas of the Digital Innovation Hub are infrastructure, research, education, and entrepreneurship.
The infrastructure area is responsible for the use, operation, and maintenance of the center's infrastructure and continuous access to Earth observation and other remote sensing data. This area includes all the state-of-the-art equipment that are necessary to generate data for the thematic research clusters. 2 of the major state-of-the-art infrastructures include the ground-based atmospheric remote sensing station, which is a supersite for aerosol and cloud monitoring, and the satellite data receiving station that will be able to directly receive images from satellites with near real-time capability that provides time-critical information, especially for Cyprus and the region of Eastern Mediterranean, the Middle East, and North Africa.
The research area of ERATOSTHENES Center of Excellence is assigned the task for developing a science and research agenda that leads into the development of high-level and quality data, products, and services. The research area is in charge for generating basic and applied research in the center, fostering the creation of innovative and sustainable solutions that can help to address the current and future challenges in the region of the Eastern Mediterranean, Middle East, and North Africa. Under the auspices of the ERATOSTHENES Center of Excellence, integrated research between the different sectors and departments take place through sharing of infrastructure and data. Research scientists and doctoral students utilize the unique observation and measurements made with sophisticated instruments through the participation in research projects and collaborative international research activities.
The contribution of the Leibniz Institute for Tropospheric Research, TROPOS, is to set up a modern, state-of-the-art remote sensing infrastructure consisting of several lidars for aerosol and wind profiling up to 10 to 20 kilometers height, a cloud radar for ice identification, and a microwave radiometer to identify the liquid water phase in clouds. Only a few institutes have the expertise to set up such a ground-based remote sensing station. The data are automatically analyzed and stored in the ACTRIS database, a European database for aerosol and cloud research. TROPOS collaborates with the Cyprus University of Technology already since 2012 on several aerosol research topics and will now extend this to aerosol cloud interaction studies. Special focus is on the impact of desert dust on cloud and precipitation formation. Cyprus is a key region of climate change and one of the regions with highest amount of anthropogenic aerosol pollution and natural aerosols such as desert dust.
The education area is responsible to sustain the development and operation of ERATOSTHENES Center of Excellence as a regional knowledge center. The specific activities of the education area include the Master of Science and PhDs hosting programs in collaboration with the Cyprus University of Technology, a skills development center, and a professional training program. The research that has been conducted in the ERATOSTHENES Center of Excellence will be used in an educational capacity for graduate and doctoral students and for professional training. Since 2007, our team supports schools participating in national and European research competitions. Currently, through ERATOSTHENES for Schools, our activities and actions dedicated to schools and students are indeed more robust. Our aim is to support students during their first contact with research, science and technology and encourage them to become young researchers. The ERATOSTHENES Center of Excellence is committed to social responsibility, which is accomplished by awareness, interaction, involvement and engagement with the public and stakeholders. The objective of the activities is to inform and engage with the wider public regarding the beneficial impact of the research conducted on the environment, society, and the economy.
The innovation and entrepreneurship area aims in being an important contributor to the sustainability of the ERATOSTHENES Center of Excellence and for stimulating national and regional growth through the exploitation of the intellectual property rights, such as licensing of innovation and market uptake of novel Earth observation-based products, services and solutions generated by the ERATOSTHENES Center of Excellence researchers and strategic partners. The innovation and entrepreneurial area will use the state-of-the-art infrastructure and know-how of the ERATOSTHENES Center of Excellence to produce innovation and marketable research results and space technology applications and boost the capacity building activities of the center. For this purpose, the Office of Innovation of the ERATOSTHENES Center of Excellence, what we call THELUM CoE, was established to provide the administrative tools for the procedures for intellectual property rights development for all ERATOSTHENES Center of Excellence researchers and staff.
The center will be launching a space business incubator program that will aim to promote, stimulate and develop innovative startups through the delivery of effective incubation processes with the goal of contributing to the development of novel space technologies and applications and in general to the growth of the space startup ecosystem in Cyprus for the regional and local economic development. In addition, to advance excellence in Earth observation and encourage collaboration between scientists, the Living Labs program has been developed, which combines network activities with research infrastructure and network for collaboration to provide services for the benefit of society and economy. The Living Labs are expected to create an ecosystem to co-design, monitor and evaluate new and existing practices and technologies. This effort will bring together various stakeholders and interested parties, aiming to improve their effectiveness and early adoption of the new Earth observation-based products, services and solutions developed by our team.
The ERATOSTHENES Center of Excellence aims to strengthen the interaction between researchers and local, as well as broader EMENA region stakeholders through the networking and knowledge hub, with the objective of fostering the cross-fertilization of ideas and uptake of ERATOSTHENES Center of Excellence research and innovation output. This will be accomplished through the networking platform to foster stakeholder registration and interaction in an organized manner.
I'm delighted as Director of the Research Unit for Earth Observation and Remote Sensing of the National Observatory of Athens to be here in Cyprus and work together with the excellent staff of the Cyprus University of Technology for the development of the unique Center of Excellence Eratosthenes. We are very optimistic that in a few years from now Eratosthenes is going to be a one-stop shop for getting access to the satellite observations and services for the entire region and become the hub to serve the innovation strategy of the country in the digital era.
By 2026, we aspire to employ more than 100 people, including researchers at all levels, administrators and technicians. Additionally, we look forward to moving to our permanent buildings that are currently under design in Verengaria area at Polymedia Municipality. The ERATOSTHENES Center of Excellence foresees innovation as the key and core aspect for ensuring the sustainability of the center and its contribution to the national, regional and European prosperity in economic, social and environmental areas. The ERATOSTHENES Center of Excellence is paving the way for Cyprus to enter the space arena.